You are here because you have seen System floating around. Maybe you watched my review, maybe someone else hyped it up. The real question is simple. Is it right for you? Let me answer that in the next few minutes. No fluff. System is an all-in-one marketing platform. Sales funnels, email, courses, memberships, affiliate programs, a blog, all under one login. Over 400,000 people use it, and the free plan is genuinely free forever. But free and popular does not mean it fits your business. Here are the 6 people who should use it and 3 who should not. 1. Beginners starting their first online business. System is the easiest way to start. No piecing 5 tools together, no wiring your email software into your checkout. Everything runs in one place and you can test your idea on the free plan. It is easy to burn weeks on tech setup before you ever make a sale. System solves that problem. 2. Course creators. This is one of the strongest use cases. Upload videos, build modules, drip content, connect it to a checkout. Kajabi's entry plan runs well over $100 a month. Teachable's starter plan is $39 a month. System does most of what those tools offer free to start. 3. Coaches and consultants. Coaches need 3 things: a way to book calls, a way to sell packages, and a way to nurture leads. System covers all 3. It has a built-in booking and calendar tool, a full checkout for packages, and email automation for nurturing. A complete coaching setup in one place. 4. Affiliate marketers. System has one of the best built-in affiliate programs around, but it is also a great tool for running your own promotions. Build review pages, capture emails, send targeted broadcasts, track everything from one dashboard. If you are building a niche blog, System handles the email side without paying for a separate email tool on top. 5. Bloggers and content creators. If you are growing an audience, you need an email list. System lets you send unlimited emails on every plan, including the free one. That is rare. That alone makes it worth setting up. 6. Digital product sellers. Ebooks, templates, Notion dashboards, swipe files, documents. System handles the checkout, delivery, upsells, and buyer emails. Set it up once and it runs on its own. Now here is who should skip it. 1. Physical product stores at scale. System can handle physical products technically, but it is not built for inventory, shipping, or large catalogs. Use Shopify. 2. Large agencies closing high-ticket deals. The CRM is simple. If you are closing $5,000 deals with a sales team that needs rep tracking, use HubSpot or go high-level instead. 3. Anyone needing advanced conditional automation. Simple flows work great. If you want 10 conditions branching in different directions, you might hit a wall. Here is the bottom line. System is built for solopreneurs, coaches, course creators, affiliate marketers, bloggers, and digital product sellers. If that is you, this tool saves you hundreds a month and a few hours a week. If you are a large agency or a physical product operation at scale, it is not the right fit. The best tool is the one that matches your business. If you fall into one of those 6 categories, give System a shot. The free plan lets you build a full funnel, host a course, send unlimited emails, and start making sales without paying a cent. The sign-up link is in the description.